Hello viewers, in this video I am going to share 3 different methods to hide your drives from other users without losing data. So let's start. First of all, let me show you that 4 drives are appearing in my computer, that is C, D, E and F. Now I will hide F drive through command prompt. I will type cmd to open command prompt, right click and open it in administrative mode. Let's type cd backslash to go man drive. It is not mandatory, just my habit. I will open partition manager by typing disk part disk part. It will open partition manager in command line. With command list volume, system will display all drives with label, types and other attributes. With command list volume, system will display drives with attributes like label, type, etc. As I intend to hide F drive, I will select it by command select volume 5, as F drive have volume 5 shown in list command. I will use command remove letter F. It will hide drive from my system. Remember that the data of drive is intact. We just removed it from display. Now let's get it back by typing assign letter F. Now you can see that drive and data has appeared. In this way, we can hide any drive of our computer from other users. Now let's move to the method number 2. Now I will do same task by another method, that is group policy editor, and hide F drive again. First of all, type gpedit.msc here and open the same. It will open group policy editor. In this window, select administrative template, then select Windows component, then Explorer, and find and open option hide these specified drives from my computer, and open it by double click on it. Enable this option. Select drive letter which you want to hide from other users. Press OK. Now open Explorer and refresh. You can see that F drive has been disappeared. Now open same option and disable it. Apply, OK, and refresh the Explorer. You can see that same appeared again. Now let's move to option number 3. Let's come to the third method. We will hide same drive by right clicking on this PC, click on manage. In next window, select disk management. Right click on drive you want to hide and select option change drive letter. Open it and just click on remove button. It will remove the drive letter. Open Explorer. You can see that F drive has been disappeared. Open same window and same option again. Click on add and assign same letter or any other letter you want to assign. Click on OK. You can see that same drive has been appeared again without any loss of data. By these three methods, you can hide any drive of your computer from other users. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.